Drum roll, please. This coffee table is all set to rock your living room. No drumsticks required. Row, row, row your books. This canoe bookshelf is sailing your home's design straight into uncharted waters. Time flies on wheels, literally. This clock is spinning into style, making sure you're always on track. Well, most of the time. Bath time meets binge watching. This bathtub sofa offers soaking-level comfort without the water. Who knew lounging could be so clean? When one door closes, another becomes your dining table. This repurposed masterpiece is bringing family meals through history. A barrel of wine, minus the rolling. This home bar is serving up style and drinks straight from the vineyard to your living room. When life gives you mismatched chairs, make a bench. This rainbow of seating is here to brighten up your garden parties. Why just play music when you can read next to your melodies? This grand piano bookshelf hits all the right notes of style and sophistication.